Hey, what's up, travel friends? This is Matt at Coastal Compass, and today we are at Beaches Negril, and we're going to be giving you a full tour of one of their Firesky Villas, which is over in the island village. Now, if you like what you see and you want to book it but need some help, please click the contact link in our show notes, and I'll reach out and help you curate the perfect vacation. If you want to book it yourself, totally cool. We do have an affiliate link also in there, and if you find this helpful, I want to ask that you please use that. It really helps me out when you do so. All right, let's get to it and see the Firesky Villa. That's it for our room tour. I hope you found this helpful. And again, if you want to book it, you can click the contact us link for us to help you, or the affiliate link to book it yourself. And last, if you've booked in the last couple weeks and haven't paid in full, you might qualify for our free concierge service leading up to the trip. So we have a link to all that information right there in the show notes as well. Again, please subscribe for more Beaches and Sandals information. We're going to be coming to you with that content weekly.